In this section, we are looking at public relations for authors. Now, as we continue on, I'm going to make sure that you're going to fear success less and less because quite often that's why authors don't take advantage of public relations, and especially the simple strategies that I'm going to be sharing with you. And it's that fear of, oh my goodness, what if I'm really successful? And, what if I actually do everything I want to do? What's going to happen if I'm successful? How is my family going to take me? And, how am I going to take myself seriously? And, I'm just starting out on the Amazon platform as a self-published author. What if I actually get signed by a publishing house and then they expect me to write all the time? How on earth am I going to? We start thinking about all of the what ifs. What if this? What if that? And then fear consumes us and we stay small. And that's why more authors don't take advantage of the simple public relations that I'm going to be sharing with you. We're going to be looking at the Amazon platform because that's where your book is, and we're going to be looking at exactly what they do and how they've been able to build, right? And then we're going to look at some strategies that you can follow. Again, these are just simple strategies to really help you move beyond any fears that are stopping you from public relations. You don't have to be a huge publishing company to take advantage of public relations. You get to look over my shoulder. That's the great thing about this course is you actually get to look over my shoulder as I'm sharing with you, what you should be doing. And then you're going to have lots of opportunities to implement, right? The activities, the exercise, the mini projects. And I want you to be implementing these as you go along, all right? So this is something that inch by inch, it's a cinch, by the yard, it's hard. Again, I'm your instructor, Louise Ann Maurice, founder of 90 Day Guru eLearning. I am here to support your success. So make sure you're reaching out with any questions you have. Let's continue.